محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من أن أشرك بك شيئا وأنا أعلم به وأستغفرك لما لا أعلم به. تبت عنه وتبرأت من الكفر والشرك والمعاصي كلها. أسلمت وآمنت وأقول لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. اللهم إني ظلمت نفسي ظلما كثيرا ولا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت فاغفر لي مغفرة من عندك وارحمني إنك أنت الغفور الرحيم. اللهم أجرني من النار. اللهم أجرني من النار. اللهم أجرني من النار. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والصلاة والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Alhamdulillah. We should praise and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us the ability to be able to join the Isha Salah in the masjid in congregation. It is not something that many people can do. You know, many people are tied up with work, or many people are tied up with school, they're busy, they're not able to come, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us and we are able to pray Isha Salah in Jama'ah, in the masjid. And for praying in congregation, you get 27 times more the reward than praying individually. And on top of that, praying Isha Salah in congregation also comes with its own rewards and blessings. In the Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, which was narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu, that whoever attends Isha prayer in congregation, then the reward is as if they had performed ibadah or worship for half of the night. So just by coming to perform Isha in congregation, we already get the reward of praying half of the night. We get the reward of worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for half the night, which many cannot do. It is hard for most of us to wake up in the night. It is hard for us to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for half of the night. But by praying Isha Salah, which is farad on us, we still get such a reward that is immense and is not given for most of the other rewards and blessings that you can do. But then on top of that, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also says in the Hadith that it's not just Isha Salah, also whoever performs Isha Salah and Fajr Salah in congregation, then they get the reward as if they had performed ibadah for the whole entire night. So by praying Isha Salah, we get reward for half of the night, and by praying Fajr Salah, we get the reward for the other half of the night, which all equals performing Salah or worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the entire night. So we should try our best to come and join the Isha Salah in congregation for inside the masjid, and we should also try our best to add on to that Fajr Salah in congregation so that we don't just get reward for half of the night, but we also get reward for the entire night. And on top of that, there was also another hadith by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is narrated by Abu Hurairah, where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the two salah that are most burdensome for the hypocrites is Isha Salah and Fajr Salah. And if they knew the merits or the benefits of those two salah, then they would surely crawl to even join those two salah. So that doesn't mean that everyone who's not here or everyone who's not present here is considered a hypocrite because they're not here for the salah. But the hadith is trying to imply that we should try our best to perform Salah, Isha Salah and Fajr Salah in congregation as much as we can, so that we are not considered in that category, or we are not put into the category of hypocrites, because those are the two Salah that are the most difficult for anybody to perform. Isha Salah is at the night, where people are mostly tired, they've done all their work throughout the day, they want to go to sleep. And Fajr Salah comes right after you wake up at the dawn, so in people it's difficult for everybody to wake up. You know, you want to stay longer in your bed, you don't want to go out, sometimes it's cold outside, you know, it's very difficult. So that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that's why the Prophet Muhammad is saying that it is difficult for the hypocrites to perform those two salah. Because whoever is there and whoever is trying to sacrifice and whoever wants to walk in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they would try their best to join those two salah. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to try to perform Isha Salah and Fajr Salah in congregation so that we can attain these rewards and so that we can stay away from adding ourselves into the category of those who do not come to perform Salah, inshallah. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
Jazakallah khair. Barakallah. Thank you.